my K-pop video. In this video, we are going through Permission to Dance by BTS. We just went through the second chorus in our Kpop Dance Workshop in Arizona. It was a lot of fun. For the first week, we just learned the choreography, but on the second week, we added the formation and it turned out very nice. So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial, and at the end of the video, we're gonna try with the action music, so hopefully you guys can join us. Also, before we start, I'd like to announce to you guys that we have the in-person Kpop Dance Workshop in Arizona every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 to 9 p.m. We also offer a free live workshop on our Facebook group called the Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop, and those open to any levels and ages, so whoever loves K-pop and dancing, please feel free to join us. All of the information are in the description below. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so today we're gonna start with 5, 6, 7, 8, and okay, so open your legs slightly and then bend your knees as well. First, we're gonna take your right knee in and out, in, out, in, out. We're gonna go 3 times. In, out, in, out, in, out. And as you're taking your knees out, we're gonna gradually going up, up, up. Here we go. Now add your arms, cross your arms in front of your abs, and then as you open your knee, we're gonna open the arms as well. Cross, open, and then just run in place. Bring your hands all the way up, make fist, and then bring your elbows down. This is a kind of formation change, so you just can move in your place. Cool? Alright, from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and good. Next, we're gonna step to the right, to the left. Good. How we're gonna do this? Starting with the legs, take your left knee up, and then take your left heel down, and kick. Here we go. Kick, go down, and kick. Each time, you're gonna bounce as well in place. Touch and kick. Here we go. Touch, kick. And at the same time, you're gonna open your arms, right arms up first, and then snap, snap. Good. Now you're just gonna switch your legs, right heel down, and kick. Here you go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and touch, kick, and touch, kick. Now you're gonna bring your right foot back, and then right hand behind the head, left hand in your pocket. You're gonna take your hip and the left heel out and out twice. Out, out, and then lean forward, head down, and up. Good. Until here, let's do from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and kick to the right, and kick to the left. Hip, hip, head up. Good. Now let's move on. After this, you're gonna step to the right, and then you're gonna be kind of lower. Bring your hands to the right. You're just gonna move your body to the right. Close your legs. Now, you're just gonna switch left and right and down. Good. That's it. Right and down, left and down. Good. So after hip, hip heads down and up, and to the right, to the left. Good. Now we're gonna sweep your legs, your right toe, make half circle. At the same time, your right hand comes underneath of your chin and point up. Good. Alright, this is the first 2 8. So let's go through one more time from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and kick to the right, kick to the left, and hip, hip, down, up, to the right, to the left, sweep, and point up. Good. Alright, let's keep going. After this, we're gonna go down again, down, and up, and up. Yes, we're gonna repeat the same moves. So first, take your left toe down, knee up, down. Okay, switch to the right knee, right toe down, right knee up. Now you're gonna stand up straight. Again, left toe up, right toe, right knee up. Good. And your arms moves the opposite way. So first, bring your arms to the right, and then as you take your knee up, snap on the bottom. Okay, and then switch arms to the side and snap. Then you're gonna stand up straight. One more time. Side, snap, side, snap. Okay, your arms basically like bring it up and then drop your elbows down. Okay, up and elbows down. Good. 5, 6, starting with our arms to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down, snap, up, down, snap, down, snap. Good. And then we're just gonna step right and switch your legs, step left, and then one more time, sweep and walk, clap, clap. Good. When you step forward with your legs, this is more like a freestyle on your arms, so you can do whatever you want with your hands. And then sweep again, right hand comes underneath of your chin, face front, clap, clap. And then close your arms in front of your chest. Okay, let's go through one more time from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, up, 5, 6, 7, right foot forward, and switch your left, and sweep, and clap, down. Good. Let's do with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and good. Alright, we are halfway through. Let's go through from the beginning one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and kick to the right, kick to the left, hip, hip, down, up and to the right, to the left, sweep and point. Now down, knee, left, up, 6, 7, right, left, and sweep and clap, down. Good. Okay, now let's keep going. We're gonna move on to the second chorus. Since we're following the middle person all the time, we're gonna stick with the one choreography. So after you clap, clap, arms in front of your chest, now we're gonna step forward and then face back and drop your arms down. Good. Now again, you're gonna face front, open your arms, and tap, tap. Imagine that there are people dancing with you guys and people next to you as well. So you're just gonna tap the back. Okay? Alrighty. So after clap, clap, down, step, face back, face front, tap, tap. Okay? And then just gonna close your feet, bring your arms to your chest, to the center. Good. And the next one is gonna be a little bit tricky, but also a fun part as well. Okay. So after close your legs and arms, you're gonna step right and left. Good. Okay? Starting with your right foot forward, right and pose when left foot is forward. Okay? And you can move your arms as well, the opposite side. So starting with your left hand and right arm forward. Good. Now you're just gonna jump and then bring your left foot down, right foot back, and go all the way down. Good. Okay? Right, left, step, jump, and right knee down. Good. And then you're just gonna bring your hands up and then snap at the same time, and then stand up straight. Okay, so one more time from here. Clap, clap, arms. Now step, face back, face front, and then close your arms. Now right, left, step, down, and snap, stand up straight. In the count, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now let's finish it up. The last 1A is gonna be talk, 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 da, 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 and up, down, down. Okay. So basically, we're just gonna stand up straight. First, make take your right hand up, and then they're gonna sing like talk, talk. So you're just gonna imitate the talk, talk with your right hand. Okay, and the left hand on your torso. We're gonna go right, left, right. Okay, so each time you're just gonna bend your knees and then hips slightly face to the right, left, right. Good. Now you're just gonna put your hands on your pocket, left, right, left. Good. And the last one, you're just gonna step left foot to the side, peace with your right hand, bring it all the way up and down, down. Good. Okay. So talk, 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 and left, right, left, hand up, down, down. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, da, da. Hands in the pocket, peace, down, down. Good. And then we're just gonna step left, punch up, and then step back, pull your elbows. Good. Okay. One more time from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Hands in the pocket. Peace. Down, down. Now punch and step back, pull your elbows. Good. Alright, this is it. Let's put the second chorus together, which is from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, up, 5, 6, 7, 8, and step, and switch, and sweep, and clap, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, close, and step, forward, jump, down, 5, 6, 7, 8, and tuck, 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 hands, pocket, down, down, and peace, down, down, and punch, step, back, back, and pull elbows. Good. Okay, now it's time to put the whole choreography together, and we're gonna try with the actual music. Alright, let's start with here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and kick to the right, kick to the left, hip, hip, down, up, to the right, to the left, sweep, and point, down, knee, knee, up, up, step right, and left, and sweep, clap, down, 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8, step forward, jump, down, and snap. Now, tuck, 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 hands in the pocket, tap, tap, hands up, down, down, punch, and step back, pull. Alright, let's do with the count, a little bit faster, and try with the music. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Tap, tap. Hands in the pocket. Now, peace, down, down. Step and back, back, cool. Here we go, we got this. And 5, 6, 7, kick to the right, left, hip, hip, down, up, to the right, to the left, sweep, point, down, up, right, left, sweep, clap, 1, 2, 3, stop, 5, 6, 7, 8, step, jump, down, and slap. Hands in the pocket. Now, peace, down, down, punch, step, and pull. Alright, thank you guys so much for dancing with me. Hope this tutorial will help you to get through this choreography. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And also don't forget to put thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!